I cannot see shit. I can't even see you. Let's tell you how crazy it is.
See, they have cute cakes. Just
Good morning. It is 10:05 and I'm in Watford. So this is one of the properties that we've acquired. So we acquired 2 new properties in Watford and we're just trying to stage it, take pictures. Then later on today at 10:30 we headed to Kettering for a viewing. Is that a mic? Because this I was asking for mic.
Mic. Your microphone.
She wants to buy a mic for my mouth.
Let me kind of perspective or something. One thing is what's it?
Yeah. It's
Oh wow, it's really small. What? Okay,
Yeah.
measuring. Where's some of this one?
what is your main bathroom? Hi, so this. See, they have cute cakes. Just this wedding cake. Manifesting. No, not this one. It's not the standard. I do like red velvet.
One that's not nice. This one.
I work the tent is smaller.
It makes me. Looks like something. I don't know. Let me see.
What is easy with everything? What's this? I think that's
It's cracker. It's like cracker. It's like.
like cracker.
Wait, when you eat it, it's like cracker. Was it good?
So you need to eat this one to be British.
Why was it asking if this is an option? Some people don't like it or
Maybe they don't eat pork.
The what? I thought of you. No, still don't know how I know.
I've never heard of it.
You guys know how I found this place. Obviously, I was driving, and there's a Chinese at the other side. So I went to the Chinese. I started going around, started speaking to random people, just asking them about the area. So, like in hindsight, it would have been like wish that he sold it. But he's also saying like there's a potential if you maybe do the extension at the back, you can increase the value of the house.
I'm going for a very simple look, very simple, so not too much because of time. It's 9:07. So I sort of found a makeup that I like. I'm just gonna make this. Okay. However you look, it is what it is. I use my hand to dab it. I cannot see shit. I can't even see you. Let's tell you how crazy it is. So I'm guessing it looks good. Then I'm going to go with this foundation. It's not a foundation. Yeah, it's my foundation. I'm hoping I blended it properly, but I don't trust myself, so I'm going to take my glasses. Okay. Just need some blending here. No. So, and because I'm in a new setting, it's a bit too much. We can't see nada. So I'm gonna just press it in. Press. Contour. I actually like contour. Ever since Esther put me on to contour, it's been a game changer for me. So all I do is create the shape. So wrap up. And I did the same thing for this one. Like Elf does amazing stuff. Like they know their shit. They know. And honestly, I'm not good at makeup. And this is beginner friendly. So I'm just going to make sure my brows are in place again. So I like that natural feeling. Okay, I'm going to wipe my hands. So I would want some earrings. I'm gonna go with this one. I think I got it from Shane. I think so. I don't know. Necklace was from Turkey. That is that. By the way, my outfit is from Pink Little Things, but with a gift from Chelsea. I'm really sure if this goes. I'm just vibing it. Put this ring. I can't find my other ring. I'm guessing I'll find it somewhere. But yeah, I'll show you the full fit outside. The dress, not the skirt. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my finished look. Okay, so I forgot my purse, which is crazy because I packed it, but I probably left it So now I'm going without the bag or purse. To be fair, I didn't have anything to put inside except this lip gloss. Well, this is my feet. Let me go a bit further so you can see. Outfit from Pretty Little Things, and it was a gift from my girl Chelsea. It is meant to be a birthday outfit, but I didn't end up wearing it while I was in Maldives. I did 360. So let's go have fun. So let me give you an update of what is currently happening. We do not have a reservation. We just decided to, dress up and go out and hope for the best. And the place we went to, kitchen, is closed. I'm hoping you can hear me. So now we're basically just walking around and hoping for the best.
That was a good choice, so.
So I am tired. I need to go to bed because I have an 8:30 coach to catch, and it's a 7 hours journey. I've never done this long hours on coach before, so it's gonna be crazy. I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of napping, but I also want to edit some videos if I can. The Wi-Fi is good on the coach, but other than that, I want to say good night. Thank you for spending the day with me. Bye.